Evaluating solution performance is at the heart of the evaluation domain. This activity focuses on comparing what was promised in the business case with what is actually being achieved once the solution is in use. It is where the business analyst works with stakeholders to determine if the solution is not just functioning correctly, but also delivering the business value that justified the investment in the first place. Inputs to this evaluation include the original business case, organizational goals and objectives, performance data, and acceptance results from testing or pilot runs. These provide the baseline against which actual outcomes are measured. Business analysts then apply a range of techniques to make sense of the data and uncover performance gaps. One common approach is cost-benefit analysis, where actual costs and benefits are compared with projections. This helps determine whether the expected return on investment is materializing. Another is the use of portfolio matrices, which allow decision-makers to visualize where the solution sits in terms of impact, risk, and strategic alignment. In addition, root cause and opportunity analysis help uncover why results differ from expectations, whether the problem lies in solution design, user adoption, or external market conditions. The output of this process is an assessment of business value. This assessment may confirm that the solution is performing as expected, identify areas requiring improvement, or even recommend discontinuing or replacing the solution if it is not viable. It is not unusual for organizations to discover through evaluation that their initial assumptions were optimistic and that adjustments are needed to realize the full benefits. A practical example helps illustrate this. Imagine a retail chain that invests in a new point-of-sale system with the expectation of reducing transaction times by 25% and improving customer satisfaction scores. After rollout, the evaluation shows that while transaction times have improved by 30%, customer satisfaction has only increased marginally. Through further analysis, it becomes clear that staff training was insufficient, and customers still face long queues at peak times. In this case, the system itself works well, but the business value is not fully realized until training and staffing levels are addressed. Evaluating solution performance is therefore not just about measurement. It is about learning. It ensures that insights are captured and acted upon so that the organization can adapt and improve. With performance evaluation understood, the next step is to consider how these results feed into formal acceptance decisions, the go or no-go moments that determine whether a solution is ready for release.